ChatGPT keeps giving you vague nonprofit advice, but the problem may not be the tool alone. A broad question usually brings back a broad answer. In this video, I am giving you 3 copy and paste prompts that new nonprofit founders can use right away. 1 to clarify your purpose, 1 to check whether your planned activities match that purpose, and 1 to write a donor thank you without making up impact. I will also show you a quick human review check before you use any AI draft. Stay with me because the exact words matter. Hello, I am Juanita Smith, a certified AI consultant and nonprofit strategist. I help new nonprofit founders use AI with confidence and make nonprofit planning easier to understand. My rule is founder first, tool second. AI can help you organize ideas, improve a draft, compare options, and prepare better questions. It cannot know facts you did not give it, and it does not replace your board, attorney, tax professional, or another qualified advisor. This video is educational information only. It is not legal or tax advice. Why do generic answers happen? Many people open ChatGPT and type something like, "Help me write my nonprofit mission." That sounds reasonable, but the tool is missing important details. It does not know who you serve, where you serve, what problem you address, what program you plan to offer, or what result you hope to support. If you do not tell it what it must not invent, it may fill the gaps with language that sounds polished but is not true for your organization. The solution is not to give AI more control. The solution is to give it a better job, clearer facts, and stronger limits. Here is the first prompt. Act as a nonprofit planning coach. Ask me 5 questions about the people I serve, the problem I address, the program I plan to offer, where I will serve, and the result I hope to support. Do not write anything until I answer. Then create 3 plain language purpose statement options using only my facts. Do not invent programs, places, or promises. Mark anything I need to verify. This prompt makes AI interview you before it drafts. That matters because your facts should lead the answer. Imagine a founder says the organization will serve middle school students in South Los Angeles through weekly tutoring and career workshops. The founder hopes to support stronger school engagement and career awareness. Those are the facts. AI should not add a food program, a new city, or a promise that every student will graduate. After AI gives 3 options, compare them. Keep the clearest words. Remove anything that is not accurate. Then ask your board and a qualified professional to review any wording connected to filing or legal questions. Now use this second prompt. Act as a nonprofit planning coach. I will give you my current purpose statement and a list of planned activities. Create a 3-column review. Clearly supports the purpose, may support the purpose but needs explanation, and does not clearly support the purpose. Explain each placement in plain language. Ask me before assuming any details. Do not provide legal or tax advice. End with 3 questions I should review with my board or a qualified professional. This prompt helps you see whether your words and your real work tell the same story. Do not treat the answer as a final decision. Treat it as a discussion starter. If tutoring clearly supports your youth education purpose, that connection may be easy to explain. If a new activity only partly fits, your board may need to decide whether the activity belongs, whether the purpose needs clearer wording, or whether qualified advice is needed. AI is helping you organize the conversation. Your board and advisors still make the decisions. The third prompt is for donor communication. Act as a donor communication editor. Ask me for the donor's name, the gift or support received, 1 verified impact detail, the desired tone, and the next action. Then draft a thank you message of no more than 120 words. Do not invent outcomes, tax language, dollar amounts, or promises. Put any missing detail in brackets for me to verify. This keeps the message warm while protecting you from using made-up facts. If you do not yet have a verified impact result, say what the gift will support or what the organization is preparing to do, as long as that statement is true. Before you use any AI draft, check 5 things. First, are all names, places, programs, and numbers correct? Second, did AI invent a result or promise? Third, did you remove private or confidential information that did not belong in the tool? Fourth, does the draft sound like you and match what your board approved? Fifth, does any part require legal, tax filing, or other professional review? If the answer to the last question is yes, pause and get qualified help. AI creates a first draft. You make the final words accurate. If you are tired of starting every nonprofit task from a blank page, I created the AI Toolkit for new nonprofit founders. It includes 50 beginner-friendly ChatGPT prompts for mission and program planning, board meetings, donor messages, social media, volunteers, and grant readiness. It also includes the guide prompt method, privacy reminders, fact-check steps, and a 7-day action plan. The first 20 customers can get the toolkit for $27. After that, the price will be $47. Use the Stand Store link below this video and get instant access. Remember, founder first, tool second. Give AI a clear job, your real facts, and strong limits. Then review every answer before you use it. Tell me in the comments which prompt you need most: purpose, programs, or donor messages. Subscribe for simple AI guidance for nonprofit founders. It is never too late to learn a new way to make the work easier.